Bonita will be. We've got Teltons, Bankers, Frozies too, soups and stews to name a few. Moose, beef, Irish pea, that's odd. Beer better cod, feta chicks, breads homemade, blueberry duff, apple bake. Are you ready for this jelly? Don't forget pork bang belly. Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen.